Hi there, Chalkers, and welcome to another edition of Chalking with Babycakes. Today, I am not coming to you live, but I still wanted to do something for you, and I wanted to show you another one of these hearts that I had gotten from Target last year. This one is just a plain white one, kind of like a little palette. So today, like the other one that I did the other day, that was the colorful one with the butterflies. I am going to do it where I have a little 5x6 board that you can attach a photo to, and I'm going to put like a little clip up there so you can attach a photo to it with "This Is Us" on there, and then I'm going to put some flowers on there. I've got these little cute flowers up there, so this isn't going to take too terribly long. I just want to show you how quick and easy chalking is. Something, so if you ever are interested in chalking with me, I do have lots of classes out there. So go ahead and go out on my events tab and you'll be able to see all the classes on Facebook. I will have a Facebook. I will have a website up and running. Well, I do have a website up and running that has a lot of my information out there. But I do hope to get it going soon to where it has the stuff that I have for sale on it. So then this way you can go ahead and purchase anything that I have for sale. Because this next year, I don't plan on doing as many craft shows as I did previously. So the only place you're going to be able to get my stuff is if you go to my website, or if you go to that One Place Market, which she is at her new location on Ohio Street in Sedalia, Missouri. Very cute shop. You need to go check it out if you haven't been there. If you have been there, go back. Everything changes all the time, so definitely go check Laura out there. Laura at that One Place Market in Sedalia. She is downtown. So this is super easy to do. It's not going to take long at all. It took longer for me to figure out what I wanted to do than it's going to take to make this. Let me talk. Words are hard sometimes. All right, so here I am, just squeegeeing "This Is Us" on here. There are some other options. Say you don't live in Missouri, in central Missouri, where I am at, and can't make it to one of my Chalk and Talk classes, or you want to host, or you can't host one of your own because you're not local to me. There are other avenues you have that you can do to do chalking. You can join my team, and you can do that at my chalk site at chalkchore.com/babykakescreations. You can join the team, and the team, it's $99 to get your over $200 kit. So that's really fantastic. You'll get some surfaces in there. See how cute this is going to be? You'll get some surfaces in there, as well as some paste and some stencils, because obviously you need paste and stencils and surfaces. Although you can use whatever surfaces you want to. You don't have to stick with just chalkboard. You can use wood. You can find something out there that you really like and chalk on it, repurpose it, whatever you want to do. You get the inks, and with the inks you can do it on fabrics. The fabrics, you just have to heat set them, and that you can do that with an iron, 4 minutes on each side, or you can do it with a heat press. If you're doing mugs and stuff like that, you can do that in the oven, 350 for 30 minutes. So if I wasn't going to put the hearts on here, or the flowers on here, I would be done. I mean, that's just how easy, that less than 5 minutes to do this. So your projects can be as easy and simple as you want them to be, or they can be very ornate and not as simple. It just depends on how you're feeling for the day, what you want to make. So I'm going to put these little hearts, I keep saying hearts. It's because I'm doing a heart, right? Put those little flowers up there, and I might do these little flowers look cute down here. Do a little bit of flowers down here. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if I like these flowers down here or not. I think that's a little bit too much. Yeah, I don't think we'll do those flowers down there. Maybe we'll put some... And honestly, I don't even have to put the flowers on here. I think it would be perfect enough with just the This Is Us, but I like to do something different. I've been trying to go out of my comfort zone with the chalking and add additional things. I'm really good at putting chalking stuff together, but adding embellishments, it's just something I haven't been able to kind of get through to. So what are some things that you guys have been working on? Any cool craft projects? What kind of things do you want to see me do? I'm always looking for ideas for my lives and for videos. These videos I'm doing, these series of videos that I've been doing are being done at the lake house. I have super fast internet here, so I love doing them down here and getting them uploaded and ready for your viewing pleasure. Don't worry, I'll still do lives at my regular house too, because now that the holiday season is over with, I won't be able to get down here as often as I want to. We'll be back to the grind and everything. I'm not looking forward to that. I don't know about you, but I've enjoyed having a quote-unquote slow season. The season for all the craft shows and everything is all done with for the fourth quarter, and I took a little bit of a break during the end there. No chalk and talks, no classes, no very minimal creating, no last minute little craft shows. So I just kind of took a little bit of a break, because the fourth quarter, especially October, I don't know if you remember, but October I was super duper busy. Had all kinds of stuff going on. I had a craft show like every weekend. So anyways, I know. I just kind of go, don't I? Just kind of say all kinds of different things. So here we go. Here's the This Is Us. Maybe I should do, nope, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Maybe add, oh, that would be cute, wouldn't it? Okay, we're going to put a little tail on there. That'll be cute. I got 3 more of these little guys. Let's use them. But if you see, I mean, I haven't even been live, I'm not even live. I haven't even been recording for 10 minutes. So this is just how easy doing the chalking can be. And you can use any kind of surface. There we go. Perfect. All done. And I will have a picture of this, especially with the little tabby thing up there once I get one, ready for you in the comments, and the price in the comments. So this would make a great Valentine's gift for that special someone, or for that special couple in your life that you know that you just don't know what to get them. Well, here you go. Here's something perfect for them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. All right. Bye-bye.